guys, welcome to At Home with Ros Emely. I hope all of you guys are doing super good today and are ready for another easy family recipe. I'm going to be sharing with you how to make delicious German potato pancakes, or sort of like potato croquettes. It's super delicious. I served it with grilled steak and fried eggs. I'm sure that's not the traditional way to serve this recipe, but it's my style. Hope you guys can enjoy it. It's so good, guys. Let's get started with this delicious German potato pancake recipe. So to make our delicious German potato pancakes, we're going to need potatoes. Over here I have 4 potatoes, and we're going to need a grater as well. We're going to start grating our potatoes, already peeled. Alright, and here we go. I love this recipe. It's super easy. We're also going to need a strainer because we are going to strain our potatoes. The potato has a lot of water in it, and we cannot use the water with the potatoes, right? Because then it's going to become soggy. It's not going to fry correctly. So I first started using a spoon just to strain the potatoes, but then I found that my hands were a better tool. Here I'm using my hand. As you can see, look at all the water the potato has. And did you know that drinking the potato water can actually make you feel good if you suffer from gastritis? Just a little tip. I'm going to use all of our grated potato. Okay, strain it. And look at the water that leaves behind. We are ready to start seasoning our grated potatoes with half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a tablespoon of onion powder, half a tablespoon of garlic powder. We're going to need salt and pepper to taste. I'm also adding a little bit of parsley and half a teaspoon of paprika powder. I have here grated or finely chopped white onions as well as yellow bell peppers. And we're also going to need 2 eggs. And now we are ready to mix very well. I'm actually going to add a little bit more of all-purpose flour, about a tablespoon more, and a little bit more of salt. Let's mix very well. I'm also going to add green onions on top just for color and taste. Let's mix, and now we're ready to fry these babies up in my pan at medium heat. I'm adding a large tablespoon cooking spoon of the mixture. And I'm making 3 at a time because I do not want to crowd my pan. I want them to be crisp and delicious. So we're going to let this fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. After the 2 to 3 minutes, we are ready to flip. As you can see, they're nice and golden on the bottom. And I am frying this with olive oil. You can use avocado oil or whatever oil you have at home, cooking oil, frying oil. Cook this up for 2 to 3 minutes again. I'm going to flip them over. And we are ready to take them out. It's super easy, this delicious German potato pancakes. I'm adding it on top of paper towel. That way the oil can absorb. And we're not eating oily potato pancakes. We're ready to do the same steps with the rest of my mixture. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes, flip them over and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes again, and our German potato pancakes are ready to eat and be served. I just add a little bit of ranch and cilantro on top. You can add your favorite sauce. Look how delicious inside. Guys, you have to make this recipe. It's super easy, as you guys saw. Delicious. I served this up with fried eggs and steak. You can serve them up with whatever you want.